I am Eric, and let's talk about engineering. Most people see a miracle in modern Singapore, but as an engineer, I see a legacy of perfect system architecture built on a foundation of zero margin for error.
Lee Kuan Yew did not inherit a country in the traditional sense. He inherited a technical debt of massive proportions, a project that any conventional analyst would have labeled as impossible. He approached governance not through political ideology, but through the lens of extreme optimization and structural integrity, treating the state itself as a high-performance platform.
For a platform to be globally competitive, it requires three things: low latency, high reliability, and a scalable infrastructure.
In engineering terms, corruption is the equivalent of a massive memory leak that eventually crashes the entire application.
By enforcing a zero-tolerance policy, he ensured the system functioned with the precision of a high-performance kernel, where no energy was dissipated by inefficiency.
The technical feasibility of survival depended on solving the water problem, a critical single point of failure for a nation that imported its most vital resource.
They turned a strategic vulnerability into a high-tech utility, optimizing the cycle until it became a closed loop, proving that engineering can overcome geographic limitations.
Urban planning was handled with modular precision, using standardized residential nodes to maximize land use efficiency while maintaining social stability. This allowed for a predictable rollout of infrastructure, ensuring the city could scale vertically without collapsing under its own weight.
Logistics served as the island's primary API to the rest of the world, positioning the nation as the central node in the global supply chain.
The logic was cold but effective. If the world needed Singapore more than Singapore needed the world, the system would remain stable and relevant.
Lee Kuan Yew treated education and workforce development as a continuous integration pipeline to produce a workforce capable of complex technical requirements. It was an investment in the underlying hardware of the nation, ensuring that the human elements were as reliable and high-performing as the physical infrastructure.
The result is a socioeconomic architecture that defies the entropy usually associated with rapid urbanization, standing as proof of strict operational protocols.
Singapore is a testament to the power of treating a nation not as a political compromise, but as a masterpiece of functional design.